This is Alicia with the Desert Winds, and continuing our how to crochet videos. This is how to do a triple crochet or treble crochet depending on what you're reading it from. Now, similar to the single and double crochets, whenever you start off a row you'll need to check with your pattern, but more often than not I see you want to do 2 chains to kind of start it off with. Then you go around the needle twice, and it then goes through the hole, goes around, pull it through, goes around and through 2 holes, around and through 2 holes, around and through 2 holes. Kind of where it gets the name of triple, because it's having to go through 3 times. So you go around twice, through the hole, around the hook, pull through, around the hook, pull through 2, around the hook, pull through 2, around the hook, pull through 2. And there you have it. So we've got the row of single crochets, double crochets, and triple crochets. And you can see how much larger these rows are each getting, along with the great size of gapping in between. But there you have it.